Well, I go to do a pull, and I think I snapped an axle. Alright, we're here at John's house. Gotta get it all up in there, but alright guys, welcome back to today's video. Don't mind, I have my shop manager over there, you know, she's just watching Ninja Turtles. But we have the car up on the lift right here. Let me turn the camera around. So the car is up on the lift. We pulled this axle out, got the cup out of the diff, no problem, yada yada yada. I don't know if I did it right, but I just popped this out, this top piece out, the strut, and this part out of the knuckle, and the knuckle fell forward. I obviously took the nut out, whacked it out, boom, got the axle out, no problem. Now, the problem is, I think they sent me the wrong axle, because if you look, it's a little thinner. Like the stock one, the OEM one's a little thinner than the one that they sent me. Now, I don't know if that's gonna work, probably not, but the part number lines up. The part number is the right part number for this car. It's just what's in here is a little wrong in size. So, but then, as well, they sent it to me and it's banged up. It's literally bashed, like bent. So if I do try to use it, I don't think it's gonna work actually. I don't know. I gotta Google some stuff on my phone, but we'll see. I don't know. So I'll let you guys know with the update if I decide to throw it in or try to throw it in or whatever, but I don't think it's gonna work, honestly. So yeah, that was for sure the wrong part. I showed you guys how it lined up. I knew it wasn't gonna fit. I still, you know, tried it. I tried to line it up. Maybe I was tripping because I looked up the part number. The part number was correct. I think it was the wrong part inside the box. So I did return that back to AutoZone, and I overnighted a package from O'Reilly's. They only have one in the whole area that will be here tomorrow. So wish me luck. Hopefully that is the correct part and I can get my car back. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna have to just, you know, bite the bullet, buy the $400 part off of FCP Euro and just call it a day at that point, instead of just messing around with, you know, these cheaper parts, I guess. But yeah, so I will pick this back up tomorrow when I come and pick up the part and head back over to my buddy John's house and try to throw that thing in. But right now, at least I have the half shaft with me, the part that goes inside the diff, so I can check right immediately if it lines up or not. So cross my fingers, cross your fingers. I mean, shit, you'll see in about 2 seconds if it was the right part or not. So I'll pick it back up then. So to pick up where we left off yesterday, I just picked up this axle from O'Reilly's, and let's see, boom, there we go. It seems to be the right fit, right size, everything, unlike the AutoZone part. Right now John's over there lifting the car up so we can slap this bad boy in and call her a day, because I am sick and tired of not having my car. This was a hassle and a half. Axles shouldn't take this long, but it does. But yeah, so let's get after it. Yes, sir. Car's down and on the ground. It worked out. It worked out pretty well. I did end up having to take out that bottom bolt on the knuckle just to fit the knuckle side of the axle in. So we did that. I used one of these stands right here. I used one of these stands to hold the knuckle up while I finagled it in there. John was here to help me with an extra set of hands. But now it's time to transfer everything from the car John let me borrow, the Volvo, and throw it into the BMW and head on our way for an official first drive. With all this done, hopefully everything is bolted up tight and properly. I didn't spec anything. I know that sounds horrible. I'll do that when I get home. I have to look up all the specs and everything. So yeah, for now it's all good and tight. So let's go from there. So I'm back on the road. The car's fine. No weird noises. The axle's good. So everything's good. The intercooler's working perfect. It was up to 118 just sitting there idling in the driveway. As soon as I hopped on the road, right now it's down to 90. And then by the time I get on the highway, it will, you know, drop down to hopefully about 79, 75 degrees would be nice. It is 68 degrees outside. So we'll see. But yeah, so, I mean, it's working good. The axle's in. Sorry I didn't explain too much, but basically, I don't know if I did it right. So I basically just unbolted the knuckle completely to install the axle, and then I unbolted everything on the knuckle except the very bottom bolt to take out the previous axle that was broken right at the CV joint. Well, right at like the CV joint into the rear diff. The diff is fine. I didn't break anything in there. None of the splines or anything were broken. But yeah, so I'll probably just end the video there. I just wanted to pick up the camera again, picked up the Osmo Pocket. I'm starting to really like this camera. But picked up the Osmo Pocket, just wanted to film a video. But yeah, if you guys want a more in-depth, like how I did it, because there is really no videos online for this chassis on how to change the rear axles. I can do that. I can walk you through it. I probably won't take this one off again, but I'll redo it. Not redo it, but, you know, walk you through it. I'm sure I'll probably break another axle here in the near future. Hopefully not like super soon, but I know it's bound to happen with the way I drive the car. But maybe the other side, but we'll see. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.